Todd Namba, solutions engineer, architect extraordinaire, subject matter expert for F5 Networks. Thank you for today.
Of course.
So overall, can you just give us an idea exactly where F5 is overall in the application security landscape? You guys, people know you as a traditional load balancer, but now we have modern application delivery. Can you just, in 30 seconds, explain to me what F5's doing to address application security, application delivery?
It's very hard, right? So we've always been in the application security realm on premise, but we are totally expanding that to the app developers, providing a SaaS solution, providing a platform where you can insert security into wherever the application may be. So the stuff that we talked about today was with Nginx App Protect, where we have thousands and thousands of customers who are already using Nginx as like an API gateway, as a load balancer, as a ingress, as a container. For them to be able to just add on application security, make it very, very easy, make it very, very effective to what they already have, it's just makes things easy.
Awesome. Shoot it to me straight.